Today we're gonna cook some pizza. This is my first time ever cooking pizza because I'm stuck just like probably you are in self-isolation. And the first thing you're going to need is a bowl. Let's get started. And you're going to need 2.5 cups of water. Also, the water has to be warm. So what we're going to do now is just keep it in a cup like this and microwave it. While the stuff is getting ready in the microwave, we got one more chef here in the kitchen. We'll cook together. The water is now warm enough. Just pour it back. All you need is just 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here's the yeast. And we'll add 2 tablespoons of it. Right after that, we just have to give it a little bit of a stir, like that. Now we're going to see if this yeast is alive. Has to start producing bubbles. It's not even speeded up, guys. Are you ready for some pizza? Or are you too small for it? I got some Robin Hood flour here. It's all-purpose. Some people recommend to use the bread flour, but for this recipe, we'll just use this one. We need 7 cups. I know it sounds a lot, but that's what we need for this recipe. 7 cups. Good. Now we need some extra virgin olive oil. 6 tablespoons. What's happening, baby? Okay. Now we can add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. I put a little bit more. Alright, it's time to mix our flour. It's a little bit awkward to mix the flour from behind of the camera, guys. Let's just take all the dough out. Now, I am a professional chapati maker, but it's first time making a pizza. So I've been doing it for about 10 minutes now, and this is what I got. You see, if you press it, it goes back out. Means that the consistency is good. So we have to push all of these things up, just like that. This side is going to be all crumbled, but the other side is getting circular. So now we have a nice little bowl. You push your pinkies inside, like this. And this is what you get, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Now we have to cover this in oil, and we will keep it inside the bowl. So let's add some oil to the bowl. Spread it all around, so when the yeast is rising, it's not going to stick to the corners. That's the entire idea of this. Now we're just going to add some oil to the hands, and we will cover this in oil as well, so it also doesn't stick when it rises. Keep it all inside, and now usually you have to put like a foil over it. I'm just going to put a metal foil. Other people put plastic over it. It's been about 30 minutes since I covered it with the foil, and I wanted to keep it overnight, but I already hear it going up. Let's see what we have here. Most likely, I'm just going to go ahead after the next half an hour and make the pizza itself. Let's see what we have here right now. Oh my god, look at the size of it, it's going big. I'm telling you, if I'm not going to cook pizza right now and I keep it overnight, it's going to grow legs and it's going to come and eat me in my bedroom at night. So I have to cook it now and eat it first. It's been a few hours since this has been rising up and I think it looks pretty good. Had to take the baby off the table now. Now guys, I'm using a standard Walmart ingredients. This is going to be my $8 sausage, salami, some mushrooms, some bacon, Canadian style, of course. And I'm going to pre-cook all of it. I want the onions to be nicely
caramelized.
Caramelized. Okay, I cannot say it properly. I don't know.
Fried.
Caramel fried.
Yeah.
Okay. Fried onions and sausage. As I'm doing this, I'm getting my oven hot enough to 500 degrees as per the manual, pizza manual prepared by Italians. We're going to cut some mushrooms. It's another ingredient that I want to use. And then we are going to fry them with bacon, because we will have pizza with mushrooms, sausage, bacon, cheese, and we'll also add some bell pepper. Now, because I'm making this at home, I'm going to use the same pan. I'm also going to add a little bit of bacon over here. And a little bit of pepper. Some salt, pepper on the bacon with mushrooms. We are going to cut a little bit of bell pepper. I decided it's going to be a good ingredient. Not going to take too much of it, but just enough. A little bit more pepper. Mix it up a little bit. And of course, pizza is nothing without cheese. So I got some high quality Walmart cheapest mozzarella. Here's our fresh mozzarella cheese, which will be a crucial ingredient for our pizza today. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. You can just eat this as a bread, guys, because it's looking pretty good. Just put it in the oven. No need to go for pizza. We're going to make it into a circle like this. And now, guys, let's just turn it into a pizza dough and get our pizza ready. Let's try some techniques of using gravity. Let's just stretch it just like Italian style. So this is the pizza size I got so far. Just have to pour a little bit of semolina on the bottom of the bacon sheet, like this. Then we put the pizza on top of it itself. I'm just going to brush a little bit of olive oil on the edges of pizza to give it a nice crust. I've just realized that we do not have any sauce. So, luckily I have some salsa, and I don't want it to be chunky, so I'm going to just keep it into a blender. Just like this. Now, we just have to hurry up and put everything together so it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm going to pour a little bit of right over our pizza. Put some cheese. Right over it. Now that we have put some cheese, I'm going to add a little bit of onions. Chunks of bacon. Just like this, evenly spread Actually, I have a little bit too much of bacon, but that's alright. It's going to be better. Now I'm going to get a little bit of capsicum, a little bit of bell pepper, and mushrooms. The final ingredient is salami, pepperoni. Now you have to hurry up in this section, but I still think I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese on top for decoration purposes. This is looking good. Time to get this pizza into the oven. I'm just going to set it up for 12 minutes as a reminder for myself. What we are looking for is golden cheese and crust. When the crust is golden, it means pizza is ready. I think it's ready, guys. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Check this out! Check this out, guys. It is actually freaking good. Guys, if you like my first time ever cooking pizza and you like the recipe, check this out. You can do it at home. If I can do it, it's my first time ever doing pizza and it's already better than you get from the grocery stores, like 10 times better. I suggest, guys, you can do the same. So give this video a big fat thumbs up, like it to support this channel, share it with your friends so all of you can enjoy pizza and surprise your loved ones with your recipes. Guys, we'll see you on our family channel in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Looking forward to read your comments. See you soon, guys.